Hey guys, welcome back to Aeroflow Performance. My name's Pat, and today I'm going to show you a new little product that we've got to suit the Ford Barra bolt-on turbos. And they might come in handy because the Barras become quite the popular item for engine swaps. They're popping up in everything, old model, late model, even Commodores. So we thought, how are we going to use the standard turbocharger, or perhaps even an upgraded one that you've bolted onto the factory exhaust manifold for a Barra? But what do you do for a dump pipe after that? There's plenty of aftermarket dump pipes available to fit into a Falcon that's got a Barra in it. But what happens if you put it in an early model Ford or something from a different manufacturer? This is what you need. The 5-bolt to V-band flange adapter is cast out of a 304 stainless steel. To install it onto the factory Barra turbo, it's as simple as taking the multi-layer gasket that is included in the package, placing it onto the back, the flange adapter on top, and then installing the studs, which are again included in the package. Once installed, you've got a quick and easy way to be able to fabricate a 3-inch or larger dump pipe in whatever it is at the engine swap that you've completed. Okay guys, so now you know all about the 5-bolt to V-band flange adapter. You can check it out at your local distributor, quality retail outlet, or jump online at aeroflowperformance.com.